Hello everyone, I'm going to explain the sample strategy sample2.py. So on a high level, what this strategy does is it improves upon the random exploration strategy to collect resources by making sure pirates of the same team are reasonably spaced out from each other. So as you can see, we're using the function move2, which we've given you in the script template. It just takes coordinates x and y as well as a pirate, and it sets the pirate to move in a direction such that it gets towards that specified position. So apart from that function, we're defining a custom function called checkFriends, which takes two arguments. The first one is a pirate object, and the second one is a quadrant, which could be either southeast, southwest, northeast, or northwest. So now what this function does is it investigates all the eight directions around the pirate. And we only care about who's in the adjacent cell, that is friend or enemy, which is why we're taking the second element at index 1. So now, depending upon which argument the quadrant was, we investigate three directions. For example, if it was northeast, we investigate up, northeast, and right, which is basically north, northeast, and east. Similarly, if the quadrant was southeast, we investigate south, southeast, and east. So in all three of the directions, we count the number of friendly pirates or pirates of the same team, and we store that in a variable called sum. And then we return sum, which could be either 0, 1, 2, or 3. So after that, we use a function called spread. So spread just checks for the number of friends in all four directions, southwest, southeast, northeast, and northwest. Then it stores them in these dictionary. And this line is just sorting this dictionary according to the values in increasing order. So for example, if I had the least number of friends in the northwest direction, the first element of the new dictionary would be northwest. So then I'm calling the function getPosition to get the position of the current position of the pirate. And over here, what I'm doing is I am extracting the direction from the sorted dictionary in which I have the least number of friends. So how the strategy works is I want to send my pirate to move in the direction where it has the least number of pirates of the same team so that they're spread out and resource collection is optimized. So as you remember from the session, in Pygame, the x-axis is in the regular direction from left to right, but the y-axis goes from top to bottom instead of bottom to top. So that's why to set a pirate to move in the southwest direction, I am setting the coordinates to x minus 1 and y plus 1. So now in Act Pirate, we perform the investigate function in all four directions, and we check for the presence of an island that has not been captured. So, for example, in this condition, I am checking if the position above me is an uncaptured island. If it is, I'm setting my signal to a string where the first index of the string stores the island number, which is either 1, 2, or 3, extracted from the string up, and then the position of that island. Similarly, we do this for all the other three directions. And then we set the string to the team signal. So every time we call act pirate, our pirate reads the team signal in this line. And if the signal is valid, meaning not null, it splits it based on the comma and figures out where it's supposed to go to. So this strategy is pretty much similar to sample one. As soon as the pirate discovers an island, all the pirates of that team go to that island. If there's no signal, meaning the pirate does not have any information on the location of uncaptured islands, it just uses a spread function to randomly go around the map, or not exactly randomly, an optimized way of going around the map and collecting resources. So now coming to Act Team, these three lines just mean that whenever possible, the team builds walls around an island. Meaning if there's an island in which there are pirates of only one team but not the other, then this script will make the pirates build walls, assuming it has enough wood to do that. So if there's a valid signal, we check if the island being referred to in that signal has already been captured. And if it has, we set the team signal back to null so that the pirates stop going to that island to capture it, move out of the island, and keep looking for resources.